Hello and welcome to Monday Momentum. Here's Patricia Missakian, founder of the Akashic Records Institute, and it's an honor to be here with you, opening the energies for the week. So let's get to it. I'm going to invite you to close your eyes and bring your attention to your heart. And setting the intention to lose the baggage. Whatever it is that you've been carrying on that is slowing you down, be that emotions, beliefs towards yourself or towards others or towards situations, I want to invite you to set the intention to let it go so you can powerfully enter the energy of this week that starts now, the week of July 8th. So I'm going to give you a moment and I'm going to invite you to just allow any memories of whatever it is that is holding you back to show up to you. And as you receive the memories, set the intention to connect with the power behind letting go of whatever you're doing to hold yourself to this situation. So thank the situation for what is bringing into your life, even if you don't know what it is yet, even if you can't picture how that will look like, how that change will look like into your life. So set the intention to appreciate whatever it is and thank. Thank for what it's opening up space in your life. So I'm going to give you space, let the memories come, and just appreciate and thank. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Drop anything that slows you down. Drop anything that lowers your vibration. So you can have space to receive opportunities, to see beyond what you were able to see up until now regarding that situation. And as you feel lighter and you let it go, give yourself permission to pass through this threshold, this golden threshold, honoring you entering powerfully in this week of July 8th. Open book, blank page. Choosing how do you want to feel at every single moment of this week. So give yourself permission to be in your full power, in your presence, aligned with your mission. Choose the identity of how you want to be at every single moment. I'll give you space for that. Beautiful. And now think about the situation that you need support with from the sacred crystal codes. Just gently looking at the present situation. And you're going to tune in to the grid that is going to support you in this present situation. So I'm going to share the grid with you. You may open your eyes. And as I'm sharing the transmission from this grid, the message I channeled from this grid, I want you to look deeper, allowing your eyes to move through the grid, receiving the vibration, healing, and transmission encoded within the sacred crystal codes of unity. As you breathe in, breathe all this healing and vibration and transmission from the grid. And I will, as you do so, I will share the message. Unity. This crystal grids comes into your life to remind you that we are all one. If you get one toothpick and you bend it, it will easily break it. But if you get a couple of toothpicks, you won't be able to break it. Together, we are strong. So where in your life would you be stronger if you join forces? And if you also ask for help. Give yourself permission to ask for help, to work together in growth, healing, and love with those in your life. So this is such an important message. So many times we think we have to move through life alone, we have to go on this path alone. And it's so much easier to go together. I see so many people worried about scarcity and not sharing what shift in their lives, right? And when someone is looking for something, when it comes into your life, someone is looking for someone, and you hold that energy, you hold from sharing of what could help that person, you block the flow for yourself too. But when you are open and aware to see who needs what, and you connect people, you open that vibration to people, think about you and do the same for you, right? So this is so important. Instead of look at other people that do something similar than you and see them as a competition, see them as an ally, right? The more people that talk about Akashic records, the more we open up the awareness of the world to tune into their power, to remember what is really important for the world they're really here to do, and so they don't go as astray and they mess it up and have to do it all over again, right? So when you shift from that the need for control and just let it go, and open up, you share, you give, and so much more can come back to you. So this is so important. We have this beautiful project. I have one certification where I teach students how they can deliver powerful Akashic clearing for groups of people, right? This is our global healing certification. And when the students gave their first group healing, we are all, I invited them to kind of like, instead of just like, go here and there. Now, when you see your colleague, just comment on their stuff so that Facebook can show, bring that up, right? The more you help each other, the more, everybody gain. So it was so beautiful that even to see like students that were learning the same techniques, the same things. However, each one is not about only the technique. It's a powerful technique, but each student is going to bring their soul into it, their mission into it. And they're going to work with specific groups of people that are meant to be helped by them, right? So when you help your colleague, for example, here in the example in the global healing, when they shouldn't start helping each other, like you post on your page this and then everybody goes in and comments, naturally that helps the organic reach on Facebook, and the people that are connected to that person get to see their post. And so they shouldn't start doing that, and they got a lot more than they were getting before. So you see, this is a beautiful example that you give, and it's, again, it doesn't matter if, because the people that are meant to work with you, they're gonna find you. What is yours, it's yours. But you can slow down and you can open the flow to much more when you give without fear of scarcity, without worrying or none of that, because there is such a thing as competition, because every single person is different, every single person has a different karma. So it's so beautiful when you let go of all that and you open up to connect with unity, and we can all work together for the growth of the world. It's not about when you let go of this little, thinking small, thinking only about where you are and what you need, and open up to being powerfully stepping into the mission that you're here to, support global healing, global prosperity, whatever it is that is your focus, whatever it is that is in your heart, that that you're part of this big transformation, right? So what I want to invite you to look into this week is, where are you trying to go along and you can work together, right? So start looking at, okay, what do I need? What do I feel like I need? And how can I give to others before? And notice in 7 days, make it as a challenge. Notice in 7 days, what else shows up in your life? What opportunities, what synchronicities, what miracles come to you? And also, not only about, what can I give, but also, where can I ask for help? Where I am trying to do things alone, that I can have people support me onto that, or that I can ask people, how can I do this? Maybe this is an opportunity for you to learn something new that you're looking into it. Whatever it is, ask for help. So 2 things, the challenge for this week is 2 things. What can I give that I want for myself? And what I can ask for help that I think I can do it alone. All right? So have a beautiful week. Wishing you an amazing day. Receive this vibe of this amazing beach still here in Maragogi. Hope you are open to all the gifts that are coming your way as you connect to the power of the unity and the power of asking for help, asking for what you need. Have a beautiful one. For those of you, just a little notification for those of you interested in working deeper, my team is probably going to give here the link for you to receive a healing session to support you in opening even more to unity. And our Akashic Record certification program is open enrollment now. We are gathering an amazing group of people, and if you're waiting for join us, this is going to be a powerful certification, 6 months that is going to completely shift everything for you. It is not an Akashic Records course, it's a life-changing, transformational experience. You think you're here to learn the depths of the Akashic Records, you're going to get so much more. So cannot wait to see who is ready for this shift, ready for this transformation. If you have questions, send us a message. Happy to support you. Have a beautiful one, and I'll see you Wednesday for a Wisdom Wednesday. Bye-bye.